Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are staying healthy. Today we will learn about brown color. What we learn? Brown color. Do you all know how brown color is formed? Let me show you. This is red color. What is this? This is red color. And this is glass, empty glass. We will pour red color into glass. Now we will take another one. Green. This is green. Now we will mix into the red color. Now look at this. This is what it become? Brown color. This is brown color. Look at this. What is this? Who will tell me? We wear it winter. So what is this? Yes, you're right. This is jacket. This is jacket. And which color is this? Brown color. Very good. This is brown color jacket. Now what we have? This is so yummy and delicious. This is my favorite. What is this? Yes, you're right. This is chocolate. This is chocolate. Next, what we have? This is, who will tell me? This is so yummy. This is so chocolatey. Yes, this is ice cream. This is chocolatey ice cream. And which color